Welcome to episode 176 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to show you a great stretching exercise and a good scale to know also. This is simply a minor scale on the inner strings, starting on the D string actually, and I'm going to do it in A minor. And this is a very big stretch again. You might have to really move your hand to get this across. But it's good to know this way of playing the minor scale. It's always good to break out of any patterns that you may have. So we'll do it in A, starting at the 7th fret on the D string and go like this. You can see that I'm stretching very wide here. You know, it's basically a 5-fret stretch there. Again, 7th fret on the D string, 9th fret on the D string, 5th fret on the G string, 7th fret and 9th fret all on the G string. Skip over to the B string, 6th fret and 8th fret, and 5th fret on the high E string, and then back down. And even if you do have to move your hand around, you know, to get to all of those notes, try to keep it as legato as you possibly can, just to get used to that bigger stretch, and to get used to this scale also, which is useful to have. Again, to break out of patterns, or if you're in a situation where you're in this position and you want the minor scale and you don't want to have to switch up like this. Be very useful to you. So I hope it's useful. Let me know any questions or comments, and thanks for watching.